Hello and welcome to our troubleshooting series in which we will teach you everything related to the maintenance, proper operation, and replacement of parts in your LED display. You will not need specialized tools or a great technical background. To replace a receiving card, we will follow the following steps. Step 1. For this procedure, it is essential to make the replacements with the screen turned off or to have the panel disconnected. To achieve that, disconnect the blue-white power cables. In outdoor panels, the wires are yellow. Step 2. To remove the receiving card, you must locate it at the bottom of the panel. For front service panels, you will be able to remove the LED modules on the front and do the replacement. And for 480 by 480 and 640 and 480 cabinets, it is usually in the middle of the panel. Step 3. To replace a malfunctioning receiving card, disconnect the power and Ethernet cables from the receiving card. We recommend marking or numbering each cable and its corresponding port to ensure a correct connection after replacing the card. Ribbon cable replacement. If you only want to replace one ribbon or internal Ethernet cable, disconnect it by following both ends and replace it with a new one. To remove the power cables, you will need a Phillips H4 screwdriver. Ethercon replacement. If you want to replace one Ethercon signal connector, you must remove the two screws that hold the connector to the chassis, then disconnect the internal Ethernet cable and replace the part. Step 4. After disconnecting all the cables, remove the 4 screws located on the corners of the receiving card. Now you will be able to remove the card. Step 5. Make sure your replacement card is the same model as the previous one. Put the new card in place and attach the corresponding screws. Reconnect the Ethernet, flat, and power cables. Make sure to connect positive and negative, black and red cables to their corresponding terminals on the receiving card. Step 6. In some cases, when installing a new receiving card, RCFGX update will be required, which is done via software. To find out how to do this, be sure to watch our video number 4, Calibration. We hope you found it useful. For more information, remember that you can continue watching our video series, or go to our website www.GreckoLED.com and schedule a virtual appointment with one of our experts.